friends, my name is Garima. Today we are going to cover the topic subtraction. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So, we are going to learn about subtraction. We are going to learn about subtractions. So, the topics we are going to cover is subtraction of one-digit number, subtraction of two-digit number without borrowing, subtraction of two-digit number with borrowing. So, we will cover these topics in our subtraction. So, let's get started. What is a subtraction? Subtraction is the process of taking away the number or amount. A process of taking away means reducing. Reducing of numbers or amounts from other numbers or amounts. See, if we take a big number and we want to reduce it, if we can take amounts also. So, when we reduce it, that is known as subtraction. That is known as subtraction. The process of taking away a number or amount from another number or amount is called subtraction. That what is subtraction? The symbol of subtraction. The symbol of subtraction is like this. It is like this. The symbol of subtraction is like this. Like this means reducing. That means reducing. That's what I told you about subtraction and subtraction symbol. Subtraction of one-digit number. So, now we are going to know how to subtract one-digit number. So, let's get started. For subtracting this one-digit number, we have to subtract. So, 9. 9 is bigger number here. So, what we will do? We will make lines. We will make lines. How many lines? 9 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we made it 9 lines. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, we made it 9 lines. Now, we have to subtract 5. We have to subtract 5. These are lines which are 9. So, then we have to cut how many lines? We have to cut 5 lines. So, we are going to cut the lines. 1 cut it. 1 which we cut it. 2 that we cut it. 3 we cut it. 4 we cut it and 5. So, we cutted 5 lines. We removed the 5 lines. Moved the 5 lines. We removed the 5 lines. Now, how many lines are left when we cutted these 5 lines? How many lines are left? Let's count. So, we hided these 5 numbers. Now, how many lines are left? How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. The how many lines are left when we cut it? 5 lines from these 9 lines. That 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? 4 lines. So, 9 subtracted by 5 equals to 4. Equals to 4. That's how we did this one digit number with these lines. This was our first method of one digit number. Let's take one more method to do subtraction. So here I have taken 2. 6 subtracted by 2. So we can also do it by sticks method, the lines method. So one more easy way that I will tell you, hear it correctly. So for doing this, keep your finger like this. Keep your finger like this. Then keep 6 in our mind. Keep 6 in our mind. If we kept 2 in our mind, a small number in our mind and big numbers in our fingers, it is not easy. Because it takes more times, we have to count 6. In this, only 2 fingers. That would be more easier. 6 in your mind and keep your finger like this. Keep your finger like this. Then you have to count backward. After 6. 6, not after. Before 6 what comes? 6, 5. 6, 5, 4. So we counted 2 fingers. So how much came? 4. So 6 subtracted by 2 equals to 4. Equals to 4. That's how we done with our hands, and in these with the lines. That's what I told you about one digit number subtraction. So now let's go to the subtraction of 2-digit number. Subtraction of 2-digit number. Subtraction of 2-digit number without borrowing number. Without borrowing number. So let's do it. In this, we have to subtract 56 subtracted by 14. 56 subtracted by 14. So let's get started. 6. That's how I told you for fingers. It was so easy, na? If you want to do with the sticks, you can also do with the sticks. So, let's do with our hands. Keep your hand like this. Keep your hand like this. Then keep which number? You see, don't see these numbers. Which number we have to keep in our mind? The number is 6. The bigger number in our mind. So we kept in our bigger number in our mind. That is 6 number. So 6 in our mind. 6 in our mind. Then in our hands, like this. Then before 6 what comes? 5, 4, 3, 2. We counted 4 lines. We counted 4 lines. So how much came? It came 2 na? It came 2. Means 6 subtracted by 4 equals to 2. Then again we have to do of 5 and 1. Of 5 and 1. Keep your finger like this, and which number at our mind? That is number 5. So keep 5 in our mind. Keep 5 in our mind. Then before 5 what come? Before 5 what come? Before 5 come 42, 1. So 1 finger we have to count. 5 before 4. 5 before 4. So the Answer is 4. The answer is our 4. So 56 subtracted by 40 equals to 42. Equals to 42. That's what I told you about 2-digit number without number borrowing. Without number borrowing. With this number we have no borrowing. So let's take one more digit number. The subtraction of 2-digit number with carrying. The subtraction of 2-digit number with carrying. With borrowing. Means with borrowing. So I have taken 45 subtracted by 17. So let's get started. 5 subtracted by 7. Could we subtract 5 with 7? No, we can't because 5 is smaller, 7 is greater. 5 is smaller, 7 is greater. 5 is weaker than 7. How could we subtract it? It doesn't have value equally to the 7. 5 doesn't have the same value or more than it. But it has less than it. So what we have to do? 5 will go to her friend. The friend is 4. So the 4 number will help her friend, which is, her friend is 5. What he will do? He will give him one number. He will give him one number. Then it will be 15. The 5 number became 15 and 4 became 3. So 4 helped his friend 5 to be greater than 7. To be greater than 7. Now 5 is greater than 7. It is 15. It is how much? It is 15. So it was 15 now. So let's subtract this 50 number with 7. So how to do this? So first, what you have to do? Subtract 15, 7. So 15 in our mind. And finger open. 15 in our mind. So 15 in our mind and finger like this. Before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So the answer is 8. We counted 7 fingers. We counted 7 fingers and it became 8. So 15 subtracted by 7 equals to 8. That's how we borrow the number. Now 4 is 3. Could we subtract 3 from 1? Yes, we could because 3 is bigger number. So let's subtract 3 in our mind. Finger like this. 3 in our mind. And figure like this. So, finger like this. One finger we have to count. Before 3, what comes? Before 3 comes 2. So, we counted one finger and it became 2. So, the answer is 2. So, we got in 28. But all of you are confused in it. Because here we subtracted with 50, not with 5. Here we doesn't subtracted by 5. We subtracted by 15. How could it be correct? So, for doing this, I will say you a trick. For seeing that my subtraction is correct. For checking this subtraction, you have to know how to do addition. If you want to watch my video of addition, so you go to my channel, For doing the subtraction, for checking your subtraction, you have to know addition. So you go to my channel and watch the video of addition. You will get how to do addition also with very easy way. So let's come back to our chapter. What I told you that we should know addition. If you know to do addition, you can do it easily. And who don't know, go to my channel and watch the video of addition. So, who knows, you have to do this way that I will going to say about you. I have taken the number 545 subtracted by 17 equals to 28. What came equals to 28 came now equals to 28. So, we carried here number. For checking it, what we will do? What we will do? We will take this 28. We will take this 28 and write it here. And we will take 17 and write it here. So we written 17 here. Then you do like this. Then you add this. 8 plus 7. So let's do addition one more time. In how to do addition. So keep 8 in our mind. Keep 8 in our mind. 7 in our finger. Count after 8. After 8 what come? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. 8 plus 7 equals to 15. Add here 1. We have carried 1. Now add 2 plus 1. 2 in our mind. Finger like this. Count 1. After 2 what comes? 3. After 2 what comes? 3. So, what came? 3. But we have carried 1 also. So, 3 in our mind. Finger open. Count 1, 3, 4. 3, 4. So, you got it? 3. Then 4. So 45. So this is correct because the first number was our 45. The first number was our 45 and when we add these both and come in 45. So the subtraction is correct. This subtraction is correct. So that how to found the subtraction is correct or not. How the subtraction is correct or not. So what and all we learned today? We learned what is subtraction. Subtraction symbol. Subtraction of one digit number. Subtraction of one digit number by doing stakes and lines. By cutting them with fingers also, with hands also. And also subtraction of two-digit number without borrowing the number, with hands. Subtraction of two-digit number with carrying, with borrowing. And a trick to know our subtraction is wrong or not. So, this was we learned today. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.